Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tony. So in this video, we're going to hop in the Jeep, we're going to drive down to Lumpy's garage, and remember when we go there, we can't call him Lumpy, because it's an old high school name. He hates the name, but I love calling him it because it gets him aggravated. And what a good buddy's for. You got to get your buddy upset, right? So let's hop in this thing, and we get down there. I'm going to show you guys how to check the transfer case fluid on your YJ. This happens to be an 89 Wrangler. It has a 231 transfer case in it, and it should pretty much apply, to your 87, to 95 YJ. And the basics that I show you in this video, we can kind of pretty much apply it to any kind of a vehicle with the transfer case that's similar to this. So you can take the basic automotive steps that I'm going to show you and apply it to your vehicle for the most part, if it's set up similar to this truck. So that said, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to sub the channel. We put out a lot of great stuff. We show you how to do stuff around your house, swimming pools, RVs, ATVs, you name it. If you're a guy, you're going to love the channel. So, let's hop in Old Blue here, and we're going to head down to Lumpy's. Let's roll. So to check the transfer case fluid on your truck, a lot of transfer cases are pretty similar to this. You could probably apply this to a lot of different ones out there. If yours is totally crazy for whatever reason, check your owner's manual. But we're going to do this bolt right here, and that'll allow me to check the level of transfer case fluid. There's a bolt right here that's lower on the transfer case, and this is a 231 transfer case and an 89 Wrangler. So to empty this transfer case out, I would unscrew that bolt, and that would allow all the fluid to come out of the transfer case. And then what happens is once it's out, put the bolt back in, and then undo that one, and you can fill up and top it off. So just crack this loose. I'm gonna take it out.
So how much was it in charge?
And then, right, if it's full, you're gonna see some fluid come out like this. So that means there's enough in there. So you need to fill your transfer case. I'll show you a really handy tool.
In the garage working.
I'll snug it up. This is aluminum, so don't go too nuts snugging that bolt. And one thing I wanted to show you guys real quick is to make your lives easier, you can also use what they call is a fluid transfer pump. You can get this at pretty much any auto parts store, usually between 10 and like 15 bucks. This one was like $12.99. So what you can do is you can dip this into your transfer case fluid, suck it out of the bottle, and push the lever back in so the fluid goes into your transfer case. Do that a few times and it'll fill it up for you. If you can't tip the bottle up because the body of the car is in the way, this is also great for your rear end cover, it's differential cover. So if you don't want to actually take that cover off to take the fluid out, if you need to replace the fluid in it, you can suck the fluid out with this. Once it's all out of there, do the same kind of thing. Fill this up, push the new rear end fluid, differential fluid back in, top it off, and you should be all set. This is a pretty good tool. It'll make your life easier if you've got one kicking around your toolbox. Don't know if you knew about it, so I just wanted to throw it in the video. And that's all there really is to it. If you need to check the transfer case fluid on your truck, just put the fill bolt back in once the fluid starts to come out, and make sure it's all topped off, and you should be good to go. Your owner's manual should say what kind of transfer case fluid it would take, so make sure you check out the owner's manual. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember, if you have any questions, leave a comment, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. We've got a lot of great stuff coming your way. Thanks.